South Africa, 1909. No national grid, no unified profession, just a handful of engineers scattered across mines, power stations, and telegraph lines, each solving the same problems alone. That year, a group of them decided this country's electrical future needed a home, not a company, not a government department, a fellowship of engineers holding each other to a standard and pushing the profession forward. That's how the South African Institute of Electrical Engineers started. For 116 years, that choice kept paying off. SAIEE was there from the moment South Africa first switched the lights on. When the Victoria Falls first powered the Transvaal, Bernard Price was in the room, an early SAIEE president and one of the engineers who helped bring electricity to this country. In 1909, SAIEE started its own research journal, today named the SAIEE Africa Research Journal, the only peer-reviewed electrical engineering journal in the country. 116 unbroken years of South African engineering research, written and reviewed by South Africans. Countless achievements followed, decades after decade of them, all documented in a single book, The First 10 Decades of SAIEE. And at the Innes House Museum, the names behind that work are still remembered. They started funding students directly, bursaries, scholarships, a mentorship program paid for and run by the institution itself, putting working engineers in front of the next generation. And they've stood at the table where South Africa's power engineering research actually happens, co-hosting the Southern African University's Power Engineering Conference, now in its 33rd year, where students present alongside industry and academics solving the country's hardest energy problems. And it's not a museum piece. Today, SAIEE is a living, breathing community of around 7,000 members across power, electronics, telecommunications, manufacturing, mining, and research. Engineers working on the actual infrastructure this country runs on. And the next chapter is bigger than anything that came before it. Grid modernization, grid interconnection, new energy sources, billions being poured into infrastructure, a continent on the rise, hungry for power. We're entering a new era, one that needs the electrical engineering community closer than it's ever been. The network growing across campuses all over South Africa to mentor students, introduce them to industry, upskill them, connect them with the companies building this future, and also back the ones bold enough to build their own. Welcome to the SAIEE UCT chapter. We can't wait to embark on this journey with you, going for site visits, mentorship from qualified engineers, workshops, and the electrical engineering community of this entire country. Every major electrical advance this country has made in the last 116 years has had an SAIEE engineer in the room. And the room has always needed new people. Today, that is you. Let's electrify this continent.